Darcy, you are suing Mr. McHenry for $224 over a cracked cell phone screen. Is that correct?
Yes.
And defendant Mr. McHenry, you claim that the plaintiff caused this issue, and you're countersuing for $303 for the cost of the ballet tickets. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, let's start with you, Ms. Darcy. Tell the court what happened.
Your Honor, I'm here today because Jonathan cracked my phone screen because he was throwing a tantrum when I had my phone out at the ballet. I was bored out of my mind and decided to text a few of my friends, and he got angry and grabbed it from me.
I was not angry.
He got angry because I wasn't enjoying it as much as him, and when he grabbed it, it flew under the seat in front of us and cracked.
Mr. McHenry, I do want to hear from you as well. You had good intentions when you bought the ballet tickets. You thought it'd be something Ms. Darcy would enjoy.
Yes.
You enjoy the ballet?
Oh, quite a lot, Your Honor.
Okay, so this wasn't your first ballet.
No, I go and I see.
He goes with his mom.
The ballet I had to go with my mom because she wouldn't go with me.
All right, so for the 6-month anniversary, limo, ballet tickets, it sounds like a nice date to me. Good seats?
Yes, we had the best seats in the house.
That's the only seats to have.
This young lady was doing a very beautiful pirouette, and then out of nowhere is this cell phone like blurring all of this light everywhere. And I wanted us to enjoy the evening and have a really good time, and I thought we were.
She admitted in court she was texting because she was bored.
Yes.
So then what did you say?
Well, I said, Minden, put down your phone. Like, there's this, didn't you see the sign?
He didn't say it in the calm way that he's saying it now. Like, it was aggression, and it was like...
How aggressive? You're in the middle of the ballet. He didn't scream, did he?
Okay, it was a condescending tone, Your Honor. And it's like he has this issue when things don't go his way. He wants to talk to me like he's a parent and not a boyfriend, and I don't appreciate that.
I'm
and it's
not
my phone.
your father. I'm not.
And I feel like if we're in a setting where everyone is focused on the stage and I am bored, instead of falling asleep, which I could have done and I thought I was going to do, I decided to just get in our group chat.
Well, I just, she didn't turn her phone off.
How many times did you ask her?
I believe it was 3 times. I just took the phone and I tried to turn it off.
He snatched the phone,
politely.
Your Honor. He didn't take it. He snatched the phone.
And she pulled back and it shot across the room. It flew underneath the seat of this other couple that was there. And
who were already annoyed because he was causing a scene. Everyone was looking at us like it was really embarrassing.
What made you think you gonna grab a grown woman's phone and take it? But I could see how that could be distracting, right? Mm-hmm. But what I don't agree with are your methods.
We got escorted out of the...
Oh, because after the phone flew and all that happened, y'all got escorted out of the ballet.
Yes.
Unfortunately for you, Mr. McHenry, you do owe Ms. Darcy for the damage you caused to her phone screen. That was your doing. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And because you chose the person you'd like to accompany to the ballet with you, you gifted her a ticket, and that is really all you're doing. You could have seen the entire ballet and she would have just been on the phone, and you might have broken up with her after, but you would have seen the ballet you paid for. So unfortunately, your actions caused you to miss the ballet and not her. Now, you could have also been cold-blooded like her and just said, excuse me, I'm gonna go to the restroom, and gone to get the security, and you could have had them escort her out and you could have stayed and enjoyed the ballet. Then you wouldn't be missing anything. A lot of other options. Unfortunately, you chose the wrong one. Judgment for the plaintiff for $224. The defendant's counterclaim is dismissed. Court is adjourned.
I think we've all been in a situation where we're either with somebody or we see somebody who's on a phone, like in a movie theater or at a concert or something like a ballet, and it can be really distracting. What we don't see too often is people throwing absolute fits like they're children about that. Be an adult. Talk to the person quietly, say, hey, that's rude. Can you please turn off your phone? Or if they're with you, maybe you should have established that ahead of time. I mean, they've been together for 6 months. You'd think that he would know about her phone usage habits. So that part is a little confusing and surprising, and it just seems like he's throwing a temper tantrum. Imagine if we all did that every single time we were annoyed with anyone out in public. They'd have to shut down concerts and ballets and movies. So overall, I agree with the judge. But what do you think about the situation? Have you ever been in a similar environment or situation like this couple? Tell me about it in the comments. Thanks for watching.